Your body's energy system is like water flowing in a river. When the water is flowing smoothly in the river, everything is in balance. When something happens causing a blockage in the river, that's when problem starts. Upstream, the water overflows the river's banks and there is flooding. While downstream, the river dries up and there is drought. Remove the blockage and everything returns to its natural balance. Qigong practice helps to remove the energy blockages in your body, restore your natural balance, keeps your energy flowing smoothly, enabling you to live the happiest, healthiest, and most productive and rewarding life possible. Tuesday, hello, welcome back to Samurai King Everyday Wellness. Today we'll be doing Qigong in nature. This is a segment of healing with movement and nature. We're going to start off with bouncing. Bounce your way to balance. Help to wake up the body and to bring the spirit back into the body. It balances the whole body, strengthens the kidney energy, improves digestion, strengthen the spine, support the immune system. Keep shaking, put your arms up in the air. Release any toxin or negative energy that's been sitting, doing nothing. We're going to sink in the chi, gather all that good natural energy that Mother Earth has to offer. Picture a big bright light coming down in front of you. Embrace it. Our next move is called Holding Up Heaven. This move benefits and balances the triple burner. Lower your heartbeat and blood pressure. Relaxes stiff and tense muscles. Reduces negative stress on the body. Realign the back muscle and spine. Inhale as you're coming in towards you and exhale as you push out to heaven. The next move is called drawing the bow. Concentrate on your movement. As you are going and switching to the other side, you want to inhale and exhale as you are releasing the bow. Nice, easy movement. The benefit of this movement increases lungs capacity, tonifies the kidney, strengthens the legs, knees, waist, back muscles. Balance the brain function or improve by coordinated movements. Shoulders, bicep, forearms are conditioned and strengthened. This move is called the dragon. Benefit tonifies the central nervous system, brain, and spinal cord. Increases the strength and flexibility of the neck muscle. Strengthen the spine and stimulate circulation to the head. Easy, smooth movement. And don't forget to breathe. Make sure you're breathing throughout these exercises. The next move is called dog wags its tail. Inhale as you're going down, switching side, and exhale as you're coming back up. The benefit of this movement: balance the kidney and heart, relaxes the heart by promoting circulation of kidney energy, activate the yin and yang meridians on the body in both the arms and legs, strengthens the lower back, hips, and thighs. Our next move is called punch with angry eye. Make sure you're concentrating on the movement and tight fist as you're punching out. Inhale as you're coming in and exhale as you're punching out. This movement improves strength and chi, increases vitality, balance the gallbladder and liver meridians, harmonize emotions, promotes chi and blood circulation. Our next move is bend back then forward. Balance the kidney and bladder meridian, strengthens the kidney and waist, increase flexibility in the spine. Inhale as you bend back. Exhale as you're coming down. And inhale as you're coming back up. Inhale as you're bending back. Exhale as you're bending down. And inhale as you're coming up. Sink in the chi, gather up all that nice fresh energy that Mother Nature that's offering us in her natural state. Our next move is raising the heels. The benefit of this movement helps prevent disease, tonifies the kidney, improves balance, strengthens the chi flow in the spine and brain, stimulates the flow of chi through the governing and conception vessels, stimulates the acupoints on the sole of the feet. This is called the meridian cleansing. Each of our internal organs has its own energy signature, an actual field of energy that extends beyond physical organs. By working with this Wei Qi field through these exercises, it will help to cleanse, detox, strengthen every organ and cell in your body. We're clearing and cleansing the meridian channel energy that's running through our body, moving all that bad energy and getting it out. Shake it off. Let Mother Nature take it, because she knows how to deal with that. Our next move is liver cleansing and strengthening. As you're coming down, you want to inhale, and as you're pushing out, you want to exhale. Gather up all the energy and cleanse away all the negative energy that you have stored for a very long time. This next cleansing and strengthening move is for the stomach. Easy flowing movement. Inhale as you come out. Inhale as you're coming in, and exhale as you're going out. Let's sink in the chi. Gather up all the nice clean energy from earth and heaven and bring it in. once again. Take in the nice air. Thank you for